Hi friends, it's Becky. I know right now could be a really heavy time in your life. We are embarking on a season where it's getting darker, longer. And also we are heading into the holiday season as well. That might bring up a lot of joy, big emotions, more time with family, more time remembering family and friends that might have moved on from this physical world. And then also we have the elections coming up on Tuesday, tomorrow. I just want to take this moment to acknowledge everything that's going on in the world, in your world, and just take this moment to come back to your breath. Come back to your heart and breathe here, breathing in and breathing out. And just taking this moment to calm your nervous system and releasing everything that is out of your control. Things that are no longer your responsibility. And placing that responsibility in the hands that are responsible. And breathing in and breathing out, knowing you did your best. And your best is enough. The work is never done, but it's done for now. Breathing in and breathing out, giving yourself full permission to calm your nervous system. Relax your mind, relax your body, settle into your soul, into your everlasting loving spirit. This part of you that is so much more than this physical life. As you breathe in and out through your heart, remembering the love that you are. Noticing every thought, every emotion with that loving observer. Experiencing the world around you through compassion, love, empathy, understanding. Breathing in and breathing out, remembering the love in your heart and the loving action you are. Thank you for listening. Thank you for living your life aligned with your loving heart. I acknowledge your efforts. And I see you and I love you. Until next time, take care.